I hate. Can't say enough times hate the traction control sector.
Hello, good is something, good, it's still morning, good morning.
Yes.
We are on our way to South Australia today. Well, actually...
That sounds adventurous if you put it that way.
Yeah, but first we're going to overnight in Port Campbell. Portland. Yeah. Yeah, we'll overnight in Portland. So we're doing a bit of the Great Ocean, or actually all of the Great Ocean Road. Yeah.
I feel like you're leaving out important details.
Okay, fill in the details then.
We are camping the whole weekend, so that makes it even more interesting.
Yeah.
And you have we knew we wanted to go somewhere once they announced the last weekend, so we were either contemplating going to Robe or Bed Desert, and I chose going to South Australia because we haven't been in South Australia.
Yeah, but we still have a long way to go, and we're just going to enjoy the scenery as we ride for the moment.
Yeah. Okay, I probably need to overtake this car.
Yeah, when it's safe. Because we are responsible.
Yes, we are. I am actually a really responsible rider, or I think I am.
Said every other rider ever.
Ah, no! I'm like waiting for you to acknowledge how responsible I am.
Welcome to the 12 Apostles. I think... Yeah, I don't know.
We next to it. You're not really going to see it on the video.
Yeah. No, we've been here twice now. Yeah.
Twice, yeah.
So we've seen it.
And it is beautiful. It's like, yeah, it's absolutely worth seeing. The last time we were here, we were here with my parents.
Yeah.
But I remember it was very cold.
Stop in front of it. One, two, three. Okay. We're gonna stop here at the Blue. What's this? We're in Mount Gambier at the Blue Lake crater.
Blue Lake. Yep.
Okay. Let's have a look. See what we can see. Do you have a lock?
No. This is quite technical. Single drainage bore.
It sounded like you said stinkhole.
The sink.
Okay, we are in Robe.
Yes, we are.
And we are going into the Little Dip Conservation Park now.
Yes, we are.
Let's see how we go. You want to go?
Yes. We might still get high tide, but we set up camp and we're gonna see how we go.
Yeah. Hopefully it's not too bad.
Tell me where I need to go.
Right here.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Left or right when we get out there?
I don't know. If we're out there, then it's up to... Just go to the side of it. I don't know. Oh, it's nothing. Oh, look at this!
It looks,
Rocky. Choppy.
yeah, the sea or ocean is rough. Okay, so right.
Yeah. Right. Just keep left, right?
Yes. Ooh, it's good. I'm glad I'm in front. This would have been so much harder if it wasn't wet.
Yeah.
Ooh, shit, pussy. Oh, I'm faster than you, much faster.
Yeah,
Why?
I'm not feeling it today for some reason.
Okay, wait, I'll do it.
I knew it.
What? What?
You sprayed all the sand into my helmet. Okay, come.
Shit, I'm now not feeling it. I want to go there.
Yeah, go fast.
Yes. Oh, my
Come out to the left.
left.
Yeah, and lean backwards. Don't.
What's that?
I'm coming.
I'm okay,
Yeah, I wanted to tell you, don't ride down here. It looks soft. We need to go up there.
Well, it's not easy, I can tell you that. I wasn't first, and my bike didn't want to go. Woo. Okay. No, I'm not liking this. It's not a difficult one. Oh, I need it to be left. We will need to, Alfie, get my bike in the left lane, because right there's a bit of a bump.
Yeah. Okay. Oi! Good.
I didn't realize. I am so sorry. Are you okay? Clear?
Yeah. Go.
Oh, okay, I have made it. Shit, I shouldn't have let off. I should have just...
Yeah, gone.
Okay, I'm in the clear, I think. Okay. This is good. Okay, wait. Ready when you are.
Okay. It's a bit...
It is so soft. Should I come and help? Okay, what can I do now?
I need you to put in some sand. Yeah, okay, hold on.
Okay.
In. Okay, hold on.
From the other side?
Okay.
Okay. Teamwork is dreamwork. Yeah, it's so soft. I've never seen, like I swear, and this is damp. Just imagine if it's,
Dry.
yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yes. Nicely done. Just slowing down here because I don't know what the hell's going on.
Okay. I'll go have a look. Yeah, you have to go around like that.
Like what?
Up again.
That's gonna be hard.
Yeah. I've put myself in a pickle here as well.
Oopsie.
You okay?
Yes. This is gonna happen a few times. You should know this by now. This is me in sand. Yeah, my bike is heavy.
It's because of all the sand that you're collecting.
1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna get out from behind you because that's dangerous.
3 Ks of this. Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way. Okay, I'm gonna keep on continuing over the top.
Okay.
Is that right?
Yeah,
Well,
that's
how
fine.
much? Oh shit. Do I still have you?
Yes, you do. Okay.
She's there. Ow, my foot.
Is she okay?
Yeah. Ow. My leg is, my knees now actually really a bit sore. Okay, goodness, I'm not doing it right.
Woo. Okay. Go, 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 go. Don't slow down.
I'm trying. Ow.
Okay.
I'm getting tired already.
I'm just going to go to the top, then I'll come and help you.
Yeah. Okay, we need to start getting out of here because
Okay.
come on, come on, come on.
Go, 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 go.
Come on. I'm trying. I'm trying. Wow, that was impressive. But it is good knowing they're in front of me.
Yeah.
Like it does give me a sense of security.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just not wanting to go too hard on my brake.
Yeah.
Come on, Lindy, come on. Oh, come on. Bash plate, don't.
Oh.
Fuck. Yeah! Did you see me?
Yeah, you're wild. Oh.
Me?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Be careful.
Yeah.
This is better than the beach.
Yeah.
Like, I feel I can manage this, although it's still very technical. Out this way.
Yeah, out was left.
Ah, yeah, man.
What?
I thought we're going out. Are we?
Out was left there, didn't you see the track?
I hate. Can't say enough times hate the traction control sector. What am I doing? Oh,
Wow.
yes. Oh, no front brake. Don't front brake.
Don't slow down, there's not a lot of traction. Are you over? In which truck are you? Oh, okay.
Yes, sorry.
Perfect.
Oh. I'm getting really tired. Next out, we really need to take it, okay?
I think that's the out.
Okay. I know you'll catch up with me, so I'm just going to go. Is that out?
Yeah, left.
Left. Okay. Come on. Woo! Oh shit. I don't have the confidence! Woo!
Oh.
Woo! Hello. Sorry, I'm struggling.
You okay?
Yes.
Go. Way to now. No idea. Maybe left. Let's go left.
Thank you. Are we going out? Shouldn't you check?
Yeah, we're going out.